Yeah, them wait till move over. Yeah, I'll trap on phone with a roller. I'm about to call me they can. Back just drop, yeah, the plus had it leg. Spend 500, I'ma go get.
Hello!
Oh my god!
Look at these right here?
Bro, they look fire.
Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sway TV here, aka Mr. Visionary. You know the vibes. Look, man, I'm here to give you guys a part 2 of how I started clothing brand 2022, transitioning into 2023. But listen, everybody who wants to start a clothing brand nowadays, you know, it's only right to give you guys some gems and free game. You know, there's a lot of gatekeepers out here, but for me personally, I want to give you guys the best information you guys can to proceed and be successful in the clothing brand game, because you know there's a lot of competition in here. A lot of people say it's oversaturated, but realistic, there's a lot of people in this clothing brand field, and it's only right to show love to everybody and give you guys some gems and keys to be successful in your own little way. So with that being said, let's get to the video. Tip number 1, let me take my shades off for this, man. Let me look at you guys in the eyes. You guys see my eyes right now, but nah, for tip number 1, I want to say you gotta create value for your brand. And creating value means you have to record the journey, post content on a daily basis, be consistent, because when people see you being consistent or the journey of your brand, let's say you're posting new drops or you're posting the behind the scenes of the brand, people love that. People will just, even though it may seem like you posted too much, people enjoy that. Another way to create value is to have people wearing your product. And meaning that is like when somebody wears a product, repost on your page or repost on your story, and just like, you know, let other people know that there's other people wearing your product, that your product has value in the environment and the people who are wearing it. So and also to have influencers wearing your product as well. That creates a lot of value, because if you see, let's say if Justin Bieber, right, if he wears one of my shirts and I post on my page, that creates a tremendous amount of value, because Justin Bieber fans about, oh my god, Justin Bieber wearing this brand so-and-so product, let me buy this brand so-and-so product, because their favorite influencer is wearing the product. And that because that's gonna go hand in hand with my next tip I'm about to go say to you. But creating value, there's different ways to create value. Be creative, how you create your own value for your brand. And yeah, man, just always be different. Okay, tip number 2, a lot of people, like at this point of how to get sales, man, a lot of people trying to be like, how do I get sales from my clothing brand? You know, they're trying, that's the main thing. A lot of people want to see the products made, get everything they do, and get the inventory at the front door. A lot of people are like, how do I get these products to sell? I'm not getting no sales online, blah blah. But reality is, you know, first thing and foremost, organic sales. You know, hustle, get your family, friends, get people close to you to where you get your product first and support you. You know, people closer to you in your city, whatever, get organic sales first. Hustle your way out, because of all being said, with all the stuff I'm about to say next, that right there will never change. If you see somebody in public, but oh, so always talk about your brand all the time. Hustle yourself. You gotta develop a hustle mindset. Always be on the grind, hustle, because the reality is there's gonna be times where, let's say, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, or something that's not gonna work in your favor, and that's what I'm saying the next step. But you hustling organic sales and pushing yourself out there yourself will always be in your favor no matter what you do. You could be in the most random place in the city and be like, oh, so-and-so, I got a clothing brand, wants to check it out. Boom, they check it out. Boom, next thing you know, they're buying $200 worth of your product. That's why I say organic sales is the key thing. Next, Facebook ads. Like I was saying in the last little clip, Facebook ads and Instagram ads is really key. I consider them amplifiers, meaning let's say I do a post on Instagram, I boost it out to, I spend like $50 on the boost. It goes out to other people, my people. I got like 4 sales from that. And the sale, based on the money that I make from sales, I'm gonna keep reinvesting to scale it up, to keep boosting that post out, I consider you doing high quality photos that you post on your brand page. Because if you do like a laying photo of a product that's on the floor laid out, people are not gonna be like interested in it. That's why you do nice pictures, so like people modeling in your product and stuff like that, because people gonna love that, bro. People love seeing that stuff on their feed. Like, okay, what's this? Click. That's it. That's why I say I highly recommend you post high quality photos and stuff like that. But influencer marketing is so crucial, bro. Especially nowadays, if you get some TikTokers or famous influencers or celebrities to wear your product, that can really boost your brand to the next level. And let me show you guys some celebrities or people who wear my product so far.
Okay, all right. How about this? This motherfucker nice, right? Hold on, this ain't too bad.
And this right here creates a lot of credibility, man. I talk about this in one of my videos, but having credibility around your brand and that value really helps your brand to like get sales and just get a new following. People really support you because, like I said, people love seeing other people in your stuff. If they see a celebrity or influencer or Twitch streamer or whatever in your product, they're like, okay, if my favorite influencer wearing it, I'm gonna buy this product just because it's dope. I love it. He loves it, I love it. Just like that, because there's a lot of copycat trends. A lot of people, a lot of young kids nowadays, they want to be like the influencer. If they see the influencer wear the product, they're gonna buy your product to be like the influencer. They want to fit in. So yes, like I'm saying, influencer marketing is a really big thing.